Hey curl friends, Brittany here, aka Teeth and Tendrils. Now, if you are an OG member of the TNT Fam, hey boo, I missed you. And if you're new, welcome. So nice to have you here. All you gotta do to be a member of the TNT Fam is follow me on social media at Teeth and Tendrils. And make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Like, you're already here, you might as well just go ahead and hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell, ting, because it's just gonna make your life better. Got it? Today, I am reviewing my first ever curl box. I know, right? Like, where have I been all my life? It's fine. But this is my first curl box, and it's the December 2018 Henna Fusion box. I'm super excited. Let's just jump right into it. Here is my curl box featuring Reshma brand henna and henna infused hair goodies. Isn't it cute, y'all? So as you can see, CurlBox gave me a little paddle brush, so cute, and also a shampoo, a conditioner, a deep conditioning hair mask, as well as the actual henna and a hair serum. First things first, gotta make sure you protect your skin with some Vaseline. I've already mixed up the henna because y'all have seen me do it before, but basically I just wanted to make it a little thick, and as you can see, I'm really taking care to make sure that it's on every single strand coated. Now, I will say that this pack had just enough honey. I was scraping the bowl towards the end, but you know, I worked it out. Next, I'm going to rinse until I don't see any more color, and then we're going to use the shampoo. Now, the shampoo had a faint mint producty smell. It was okay. A little went a long way. I do feel like it restored some of the moisture that the henna took out. Now I'm using the conditioner, and as y'all can see, it is runny. It's runny, but it doesn't have a lot of slip, which is interesting. But it did definitely continue to add moisture back into my hair. Just rinsed out the deep conditioner, which had decent slip, and overall my hair feels super soft, silky, and moisturized, which is a plus. What do you think? Y'all, I am so in love with this rich, dark color. I will say, first of all, that it says that the henna color is natural dark brown. Bruh, this is black, like black. And I love it, you know, but it may be too dark for some people, so just go towards a lighter side, I would advise, if you're gonna use this brand. My hair feels so soft, so silky, so moisturized. Like, I'm significantly more impressed with this henna treatment than with my last henna treatment. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will definitely link that video below. Love the henna, will definitely be repurchasing that. It says that you should do it about every month or so. I probably won't do that, but anytime that I want, you know, just a darker change, a little temporary thing, I'll definitely do that. The shampoo and the conditioner, don't need them. Next. The deep conditioner was pretty good. Don't really need that either because I've got a lot of really great deep conditioners, but I wish that they would have given me the full size of that versus these huge shampoo and conditioner containers that I'm not going to do much with. CurlBox, I don't think I would subscribe, I'll be honest with you, just because I already have a bajillion things, so I don't need new stuff every month. Like, I'm going to become a pack rat, and that's not cute. But yeah, I'm impressed with this henna, if nothing else, out of this box. I thought it was a great experience, and we'll see what happens with my next CurlBox video. Anyway, let me know what you think about the color. Have you tried henna before? Have you ever had any experiences with color, whether it be light or dark? Did you love it? Did you hate it? What are you using to color your hair? I want to know, like, everything. So let me know down in the comments below. As always, make sure that you're following me on social media at Teeth and Tendrils. Make sure that before this video ends, you are subscribed to this channel, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.